If you want to make real money using just your laptop and you're wondering what actually works today, this video is for you. No office, no inventory, no complicated setup, just skills, systems, and smart execution. Instead of wasting time jumping between random ideas, watch this video till the end. We are sharing 30 practical business models you can start with nothing more than a laptop and an internet connection. Number 1. AI Prompt Marketplace for businesses needing ready-to-use automation prompts. Number 2. Digital Productized Consulting using structured templates and async client delivery. Number 3. Online tool directory website monetized with affiliates and premium listings. Number 4. Whiteboard Explainer Video Script Studio for educators and startups. Number 5. Niche Business Calculator Platform, solving one specific financial problem. Number 6. Subscription-based research reports for small business owners. Number 7. AI voiceover brand selling narration packages to content creators. Number 8. No-code website building service for local businesses worldwide. Number 9. Paid community for founders focused on one clear business stage. Number 10. Digital audit service, analyzing websites, funnels, or online stores. Number 11. Software as a service idea validation service using data, trends, and competitor analysis. Number 12. Online course ghost building service for coaches and experts. Number 13. Resume optimization business for remote job seekers. Number 14. Micro newsletter network across profitable niches. Number 15. Video thumbnail strategy service focused on click-through improvement. Number 16. Online business plan generator with paid export features. Number 17. YouTube channel monetization, consulting for small creators. Number 18. AI chatbot setup service for websites and WhatsApp businesses. Number 19. Digital SOP creation service for growing teams. Number 20. Online market research interviews as a service. Number 21. Lead generation system setup for B2B businesses. Number 22. Digital asset store selling templates, planners, and frameworks. Number 23. Remote operations manager service for online companies. Number 24. Online pricing strategy, consulting for service businesses. Number 25. Paid database of verified business resources. Number 26. Funnel copy review service with actionable improvement reports. Number 27. Virtual workshop hosting business for skill-based learning. Number 28. Website conversion optimization audit service. Number 29. Subscription-based business idea validation platform. Number 30. Knowledge-based membership site, teaching one narrow, valuable skill. If even one of these ideas clicked in your mind, don't ignore it. Start small, stay consistent, and build smart. Like this video if it helped you think differently, share it with someone who wants laptop freedom, and subscribe for more practical business ideas.